Well, hello there, my name is John Meyer. I normally make videos about music-related topics, but this week life was a little different around here. If you followed my channel for a while, you know I live in Texas, and Texas does not normally look like this.
Now been below freezing for 110 hours straight.
What's happening?
Snow. It's cold.
Does this happen every week here?
No, happens pretty much once every decade.
It's our turn. If you live in other parts of the country where this is normal and this is your everyday life, I imagine you're rolling your eyes right now, which I understand, but we really don't know what we're doing when this happens.
Oh my goodness. This is gonna be bad.
You still... That's as good as I can do. Hopefully this once-in-a-century winter storm is coming to an end soon. At least we think tomorrow the temperatures are going to get above freezing.
We are in the house. Not a big deal. The power has been out for a while. It's rather cold, and we're just going to chill for a while, and we are going to chill for a while. I'm also wondering how much I should pay one of my children to warm up the toilet seat for me.
No.
Is that a bad idea?
The crazy thing about this storm is while some people lost power for days, like we lost it for about 36 hours with some cutoffs here and there after that, but some people 5 minutes away didn't lose it at all, including my mother-in-law. So I loaded up the family in the truck and we went and spent the night at her house for the first night. Is our power out?
Yeah.
It's cold in the house?
Yeah. Daddy, this was the worst idea ever. Going somewhere with so much snow, driving.
This video has been, up to this point, and will continue to be a highlight film. I don't want to look back at this video in 10 years and see all the fighting and whining that really took up most of the past 5 days. I want to remember the fun times. But I also don't want to forget those moments of anxiety that I felt as a parent trying to navigate my way through all of this. You know, snow is supposed to be fun, but this was a difficult process for a lot of people. We had it relatively easy, but little things like pipes bursting and the impact that that could cause in the house, all the way to some counties lost water pressure, and there were moments where we thought the entire electrical grid of Texas might fail. It already affected millions of people, and that would have been devastating for our state. Tomorrow the temperature's supposed to get above freezing and this is all gonna melt away, and next week it'll probably be 70 degrees like it is normally in the winter in Texas. But this event kind of helped remind me and all of us of how vulnerable the whole system is and how quickly things can go away. And it's a reminder of the things in life that are important, and especially the people in life that are important. So thanks for watching my home movie. The only way I was gonna continue my streak of making a video every week is if I included all of this and my family, because we were around each other a lot. I'll be back next week with a music-related video of some kind. So stay safe, stay warm, and I'll talk to you soon.